Well, how's it going, guys? I don't know how to start this. I don't really have a game plan. A lot of my parts got lost in the mail again. Guess we're not doing steering today. I'll start disassembly. Start ripping those spindles off, or the knuckles off on the front, pulling out suspension. Guess we're gonna leave steering for now. Gonna start pulling a motor soon, so we might get into that. Don't know. It's supposed to storm, so could be an early day for me, but let's get started. We're at the point where the inside is pretty well done as far as I need it together. I can start doing my wiring for the new setup, and I'm able to turn the wheel and everything. So we should be able to get a good chunk done today. Got a lot torn out. Let's see what we're at here. So as far as the front corners here, we're doing tie rods both sides, upper control arm on this side. We're going to be pulling the axles. Those will not work for the swap we're going with. Pull off this spindle. I'd like to replace it because we only got 3 lugs going on. Not recommended. And it's already covered in snow. A light dusting, at least. Could start ripping all this apart. Go with the exhaust. Pulling the distributor. Cute little things there. Start preparing that to come out. Drain fluids. And then this side, again, just gotta drop the spindle. Hopefully the coilovers will come out for the last time. Those will never go in again. Pretty straightforward. We gotta start with dropping the top ball joint. Droop everything down from there and start ripping and tearing. Let's get started. Mirov. Well, boys, we got her mostly apart here. I am leaving the tie rods in so I get the proper length when I go to replace them. Came apart not too bad. Seen some shit, obviously, but not too bad. Not gonna pull the axles out yet. I don't want to pour ATF everywhere, but I think it's ready to move on. Start pulling the front clip. We got front end torn apart. Most of the steering and suspension out, ready to go. We got the front clip off. I think I'm ready to call her a day. It's not too bad for a first day. Next time we'll start draining fluids, moving on from there, doing mechanical, and hopefully we can actually make some progress soon. Cold, exhausted, ready for bedtime. So next day I'm hoping to start tearing that little nugget out. Right on.